Hello everyone, welcome back, where we explore exciting ways to make money online. Today, I've got a unique method for you that doesn't involve selling, requires no experience, and absolutely no affiliate marketing. We'll be diving into the world of Google News, and by the end of this video, you could be making up to $1,300 every day. So, if you're excited about this opportunity, don't forget to hit the like button and let's get started. Step 1. Initial setup. The first step is simple. Head over to google.com and search for Google News. Click on the official Google News website where you'll find a variety of categories. For this tutorial, we'll focus on business, technology, entertainment, and sports. Let's say we're interested in technology news. Click on technology, narrow it down to health, and pick an article that grabs your attention. Step 2. Copy and paste with a twist. Now, the crucial part. Copy the chosen article and head over to spinbot.com. This website will help us rewrite the article in our own words, ensuring originality and minimizing copyright issues. Paste the article, let Spinbot do its magic, and voila! You've got a completely new and unique piece of content. Step 3. The money-making potential. With your unique article ready, let's explore how you can monetize it. You could potentially earn up to $1 for each word in this rewritten article. Save it in a secure location, because we'll be using it in the upcoming steps. Step 4. Submitting to eatingwell.com. Now let's talk about the first website in our lineup, eatingwell.com. They're willing to pay $1 per word for your content. Visit their creative writing news section, find submission details, compose a professional email, attach your article, and send it. If accepted, they'll reply and ask for your payment details. Step 5. Expanding to popular science. Moving on to popular science, the second site in our lineup. They have a faster submission process. Email them a query first, and upon a positive response, you can submit the entire article. Use the template provided for a professional touch. Step 6. Tapping into aarp.org. The third website is aarp.org, offering up to $2 per word. Visit their website, check writer guidelines, or use the URL for direct access. aarp.org accepts a broad range of topics, making it a lucrative option. Step 7. Diversify and multiply. To maximize your earnings, submit different articles to each of the three websites: eatingwell.com, Popular Science, and aarp.org. Ensure each submission is unique for approval. Consistency is key, and even one article per day on each site can lead to substantial daily earnings. Step 8. Getting paid. Now, you might be wondering how you'll get paid. Head over to eatingwell.com's creative writing news for payment details. They pay $1 per word, and you can choose your preferred payment method. The process is similar for Popular Science and aarp.org. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money online through Google News is a viable and accessible method. Combine Google News with Spinbot, submit to reputable sites, and watch your earnings grow. It's a straightforward process. No complex strategies needed. Start making money today by following these simple steps. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.